Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Coinbase notifications on your iPhone. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want Coinbase notifications on your iPhone. How do you actually turn it on or off? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to go into your iPhone, and then on this page here, you want to find your settings tab, which is this gray icon. So click on your settings tab. Now on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So click on notifications. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the Coinbase app. Now your applications here are listed in alphabetical order, but if you click on the Coinbase app, you'll reach this page here. And so you'll see that I currently have notifications turned on for Coinbase. And so if you click on the toggle button next to where it says allow notifications, you'll see that I've now turned it off. But if I want to turn it back on again, you simply just click on it again, and then now the notifications have been turned back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead to turn on or off Coinbase notifications. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.